Hi everyone. I am Dr. A. Sedupati, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. I welcome you all my video lecture series. Today we will going to see the topic of defining process and parameters. So how we define process? So in product lifecycle management course, we define the process is sequence of operations and steps involved in the product manufacturing systems. So this is called the process. And parameters like product, materials, and cost, and how we will be going to manufacture in the machines, setting some parameters, and how we will be distribute to customers. So these type of parameters we will, and the time, so which time we will make the production and fix the timings. So these are all the parameters we are using in the product life cycle managements. So process is here steps involved in the manufacturing of the new product. So first we will make a design through design softwares like computer-aided softwares, SolidWorks, or some other related three-dimensional drawing softwares we are using to make a three-dimensional drawing of the product which we will going to manufacture. So this is the first step in the process. And another one is after designing the uh, drawing, it will be worked on what type of material we will use and which machines we will go to make a product and what are the tools we are using and how much amount of materials we required, and after completing the manufacturing process, what are the quality checks and quality measures we will conduct by this product, and what are the limitations we set into the product quality, and how much cost it will be fixed, and how much time it will be taking into the manufacturing of each component or each product, and how to distribute to market. So these are all the one by one, step by step we are using to make a process. So this is the process. And parameters, what are the things we will include? For example, time, cost, machines, tools, and quality measures. So these are all the parameters. We will see one by one in further slides. So this is the process definitions. So the process is mapping with the product manufacturing systems. So process is series of actions. Already I told. And these series of actions mapping with the clear visualization. So making it easier to identify the infancies and areas for improvement. So mapping is very requirement. We map with the product process into the visualization areas. So that will be made clear, identify the where we will lagging and what are the types of processes we are using. Different type of process in manufacturing systems. So these are all the common things we are using. So how to identify the process steps? First one is step-by-step breakdowns, and this is the process should be, we say separate the manufacturing process into how many steps we want to go to make a product. So that is step-by-step breakdown systems. And another one is documentation of steps. That is the flow chart or some other documents we will collect and gather the information from the data and stored the documents. This is second step. And flowchart diagrams. This is third one. We will make the process steps. So these are all the parameters we already discussed. So what is parameter? The parameter is a variable. First, that is in variable condition that can be controlled by adjusted within the process. Which process we are using? We must control the variable that is called the parameters. So different type of parameters we are using in the manufacturing of new products, that is time, cost and quality. So resources means which industry we have some machines and some machines we used to making a product, and we have not some all machines, we will get into the some other buyers or suppliers to get the some parts. And setting parameter, this is the time and cost limitations, tolerances and sizes, finishings. These are all the setting parameters. So monitoring parameter process performance is very important. Each and every stage we have to monitor the products, and if we check the first step, the product is not meeting the standard which we used to in drawings. So that product will be going to rework or rejection. So this is the monitoring of process performances. And performance means we are using the product into how much it will be works for customer requirements, and the performance will be analyzed. It will be reached customer requirements, it's okay. Otherwise, we will redesign or reconstruct the new products. So this is used in the feedback loop. Each and every step we get the feedback. It meets the standards. It's okay. If not meet the standards, it will go back to first position and redesign or remanufacturing systems. So continuous improvement is needed for the process parameters and process selections. So Kaizen policy is follows, the philosophy is followed in the every product manufacturing systems. So and lean methodology to reduce the scrap and eliminate the waste. So this is lean methodology. And training and development. We are using many workers, operators, machine operators, quality checkers. We will give proper training how to check the products and how to make the products in good condition. So these are all the continuous improvement. So these are tools and techniques. We are some tools we using in the software systems. So statistical SPC tools and process mapping softwares and project management softwares. So Asana, AIDS and Ariana, that is one of the most important software we are using in the product lifecycle managements. So in conclusion, we have make a good action plan and open discussion to all operators, those who are involved in the new product manufacturing systems, from drawing to dispatch. Those all are good communicate with open discussion to how to improve the product and how to make a good product. So these are all the process parameters and selection of the parameters in product lifecycle management system. Thank you.